Hello kids. Today we will learn and play together with 10 fun activities you can do at school. Let's begin our fun journey. Match the objects with the same color. Red with red, blue with blue. Yay, good job. Let's clap and count together. 1, 2, 3. Dip your fingers in paint and create your own art. Move like animals and have fun. Let's sing and dance together. Yoga makes us strong and calm. Put the numbers in the right order. 1, 2, 3. Apple is round like a circle. Banana is long like a rectangle. Keep the balloon in the air. Don't let it fall. Today we learned colors, numbers, shapes, yoga, painting, and had so much fun. Which activity was your favorite? Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.